Hi everyone, good afternoon. Actually, I did this good afternoon kasi it's afternoon during na shoot ko tong video. So mag-isa lang ako sa Dunkin today. Pag-usapan natin yung how to be happy in life. Alam niyo naman na recently or nowadays, yung mga happiness ng mga tao, diba? Coming from material things, of course, sino ba naman ang hindi ma-happy pag may pera ka, nakukuha mo ang gusto mo, at nararating mo kung saan mo gusto, and nabibili mo kung anong gusto mo. Pabalik-balik. Anyways, I have this, napabrowse ako sa video ng isang, I think, Buddhist yun siya. I don't know if you happen also to watch his video na those what I mentioned are mga things that nakaka-pressure sa tao on how to become happy. Kasi basically, nang pinanganak tayo dito sa world, or nang inilabas tayo ng mama natin, wala naman tayong kasama mga material things. Because of society, as we grow old, yun yung na-inculcate or na-imprint sa mga brain cells natin na to be happy, you need to have money, you need to buy yourself kung anong gusto mo, like mga phones, mga clothes, and anything that makes you happy. Those were the things na we're getting, but hindi tayo happy because hindi tayo kontento, and we have this idea or standard na dapat pag happy ka, dapat meron ka mga ganon. Basically daw, ang happiness is depende sa'yo, depende sa tao. And na-mention niya doon that what time daw ang pwedeng maging happy ang isang tao. Actually, anytime you can be happy because you cannot avoid those stressors. You cannot avoid the things that you cannot get in life. Yung mga material things, the positions you want, the food you eat, yung mga ganong aspects in life. Those were the pressures in life that will not make you happy according to him. But sa bagay, totoo naman, because of that, nagdedepende sa mga things na na-mention ko, yung happiness natin. Yeah, I admit I am also guilty of that. No? Anyways, back to our topic on how to become a happy person. Yeah. Those were the things, yung mga na-mention ko, yun yung mga standards natin para maging happy. But basically, dapat we will be happy anytime. Kahit wala tayong mga things na what we want, dapat we will be happy. Kasi yun lang naman daw yung mag-pressure sa atin. Or yun yung mga things na hindi nagpapakontento sa atin. Kasi if you will buy things, those things, pag meron ka ng ganon, you are craving for more. Like if you have iPhone 13, nakabili ka before, so magpapalabas ng iPhone 14, 15, then nakadepende doon kung makukuha mo ang isang bagay. So magiging happy ka. So nakadepende doon ang happiness mo. Wherein hindi dapat, because as a human being, we have the control sa ating emotions and how to become happy. If you'll be happy enough in simple things, simple joys like gratitude. Gratitude is a very powerful aspect in life. Kasi if you are grateful for everything, from the small things, from what you have, from where you are now, you will be happy enough in life. Hindi ka mag-pressure, hindi ka mag-stress. Kung anong meron ka ngayon, makukontento ka, you will be happy on that. Sa bagay, gano'n naman talaga, totoo. Totoo talaga yung mga gano'n na we can find contentment in very simple ways, simple manners. Ikaw ba, paano ka magiging happy? Sa'yo, if you happen to reach on this video or hanggang dito, please to comment down below kung taga saan ka para at least malaman ko kung hanggang saan nakaabot yung video ko. Anyways, back to that. Oo. Gano'n naman talaga ang tao, diba? Kagaya ko, I'm also like you. Madaming gusto sa buhay, madaming pressures in life, but I am trying to overcome it. I'm trying to learn on how to be happy with what I have. Like this one, I'm having my coffee now while waiting for someone here. Kasi 6 p.m. pa release ng classroom news ko. So, nagtatambay ako dito sa SM, sa G2C. So, ayan. Dito ako sa SM ngayon. So, yan yung front area ko while I'm talking. But, alam nyo, ganun naman talaga ang life, contentment. Even me, I'm so guilty on that. Minsan, madalas, trying to learn how to be contented in life, trying to function, trying to be grateful in everything and day-to-day routine sa office, bahay. Of course, stressors in life, hindi mo talaga yan siya mawawala. But trying to learn, trying to make those stressors a positive one. Mahirap, pero kakayanin, di ba? Yeah, life has so much thing to offer. Like, madaming ino-offer ang life. It's up to you on how will you take it. And it's up to you on how will you approach it. Sa bagay, iba-iba tayo ng perception sa life, iba-iba tayo ng belief, but we have only one God, which is very important sa life natin. Kasi if you are not guided by God, you will not be happy. Because being grateful enough that you can breathe, you have life, you are working, you can really provide for your own food, you can see your family, friends. That's really enough to be contented in life. Those mga things, worldly things, yeah, I'm guilty on that. Or plus na lang yun. Pero most of us are focusing sa mga worldly things. That's why hindi na ako kontento sa life. Even me, but I am learning now. But this is my first time to talk about happiness in life, and more of this more of this sa mga video ko. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you sa panonood. Have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Bye!